Guys, what did you have taken today? Did you form the habit of entering kitchen all the time without knowing other things to better yourself with? Okay, stay tuned. Once you come across my channel, you've already better yourself because what we are doing here is an amazing stuff which gonna better you and better me. And this is the most easiest recipe you can prepare to yourself. This is a fast food for you. When you feel or crave for things and you feel uneasy, you don't have strength to enter kitchen cooking, guys, this video is for you. So stay very tuned and tune in. Let's do this together. So what are we trying to do? So I'm gonna show you the things you're gonna be refreshing your body with, which is this is our yogurt. We have many yogurts here, creamy yogurt, etc. So stay tuned. I might not mention the names because it comes in French language, but you can buy any yogurt of your choice. So only what you can look deeply inside it to see how I manage combining them and preparing it. So any yogurt goes for it. So now I have this big cream of yogurt which I put in my glass cup. The next thing I added here is the milk. This milk is fresh milk but kind of thickened. So that's what I use. So I'm combining them. I'm just making them all like as a smoothie. This smoothie is not the blended one, it's the one I just combined. So when I finish adding this creamy yogurt, I try adding the thickened milk, or you can use condensed milk. The next thing I added is my ordinary natural yogurt. So I mix them. I combine them. I put them step by step so that it will look attractive. So I manage putting in a smaller cup as well and do the same. So I combine it step by step. I put this, I removed, I put the other one, I removed. So this is how we roll. So the next thing I gonna spread on top, gonna chocolize you. Guys, just keep watching. Please, if you've never subscribed to my YouTube channel and you are still contemplating should I subscribe to this woman, nothing do you and nothing do this our channel. Please, once you like what we are doing, just kindly subscribe and also turn on your notification. So why will you turn on your notification? Is because when you turn on your notification, that's when you're gonna know when I upload the video. Or if you refuse not to turn on your notification, there is no way you're gonna know when I upload a new video. Please do me a favor to subscribe and turn on your notification. God bless you. So let's go further. Let's proceed. So what else did we add? So I managed adding a little chocolate, because all the yogurt, it comes natural. So I just managed adding little as in liquid chocolate on top so that we can put as in it can have a little bit taste. So the next thing I added on top, will I say spread on top, is this thing is creamy. This creamy, you can use it for your fruit, you can use it for your drinks, you can use it for your smoothie. Guys, lo and behold, this is giving. This is our smoothie. Guys, this is needed especially when weather is getting hot. As you can see, this time around weather is getting a little bit hot. We've jump and pass the winter period, so we're about entering easy winter. Yes, that's what we're about entering. So stay tuned and keep watching. When you feel uneasy or feel dizzy enough, guys, kindly grab these three things I use on this. Prepare it yourself and use it chill. Why? Because this gonna mirror your body, gonna mirror your mind, it's gonna energize you. Guys, we are not making a health cream, so we've been trying this and it has been bettering us. So do me a favor to, learn how to do many things, because I'm showcasing it here doesn't mean I have no need before. Guys, I went further to learn it from others. So when I learn good things, I bring it out here for you guys to learn as well. Before, I thought everybody have known this, whereas many people search for it. Your own channel can be a place they can find what they wanted. So why will we stop doing? Why many people are searching for it? So never you doubt yourself and keep trying, keep showcasing. Yeah, as time goes on, people must definitely watch. So some people will ask, is it only this thing we're gonna be eating? As in, just if I feel uneasy, I can just take only this thing and be satisfied. Not at all. I have one thing for you, and this one thing now you're not gonna know this, but I just gonna explain later. This is a beef or meat cooked in this, which I manage getting from the supermarket. But I just gonna show you guys how to slice it to look well attractive and how to present it. You can eat this with bread, you can eat it with cake, but I feel like that those ones we've been eating it for so long. So I try changing another different kinds of thing which we've never tried using to refresh or freshen up ourselves. So this is cooked, prepared meat, grounded prepared meat. So I'm showing you the way to go ahead to slice it so that you can use fork to be taking it and also chilling your body with your smoothie. So this smoothie we manage preparing it ourselves. So when I feel like the beef is beef now, so I just want to combine it with crepe I manage preparing. So my crepe and my pancake. So learn how to prepare many things. So when you feel uneasy or you don't feel like you have appetite eating cooked food, or you don't have strength entering kitchen, this is the list of kind of recipe you can prepare yourself. Guys, try it and thank me later. And let me know this presentation, how did you see it? Did you find it of some value? Does that interest you? If yes, kindly be presenting your stuff this way. Presenting your things can give you appetite even when you don't feel like eating for you to eat. So do me a favor to watch this video from the beginning to the end and let me know what you think. Guys, please, I repeat and I keep repeating. Please, if you never subscribe, kindly subscribe and let me know the kind of food you want us to be presenting or preparing here, because your wish is my command. Despite that, I'm the one preparing, bringing out stuffs here, but I go with what you like. So let me know the kind of things or recipes or the fruits or smoothie you guys wanted us to keep bringing on this table. Okay, finally guys, on this I manage adding like honey, because honey is medicinal. So I just manage putting little honey on top of my crepe, on top of my pancake, and as well drop a as in put a drop on my drinks. So in order to have that honey taste on my recipes. Guys, let me know what you think and please kindly try this yourself and thank me later. Thanks.